Hello, nice to see you again. I'm Claudia Chyang. I'm a local realtor in Southern California, Orange County area. Welcome to All About Real Estate. Today, I want to talk to you about what small repairs we can do to help you sell your home faster and at a higher price. Before we put the house on the market, we all heard the things your realtor telling you. You need to paint the house, you need to repair this, you need to do that. Everything is to help you sell higher price and faster. But the interesting part is a lot of people say, the reason I want to sell the home and to buy another one is because I don't want to do all the things. Because I'm tired of this old house. So I want to move to a brand new one and then forget about all the problems here. Okay, I get your point. But you do want to sell for higher price, right? You do want to sell faster, even get multiple offers in the first week when you put your house on the market, right? So, no pain, no gain. So now we're going to do the very few things to help you to sell faster and a higher price. Of course, the first one, paint. Make the wall and the ceiling, everything looks clean and bright. Painting can do the magical work for your house. It can feel like a brand new house. Second, if you have the budget, I would strongly suggest you to remodel your kitchen and your bathrooms, because most buyers nowadays, they want a moving ready home, because most people, they don't have extra money to do the remodeling. So they want you to do the remodeling for them. So when they get a loan from the bank and it's moving ready, so if they put 20% down, they actually only pay for 20% of the remodeling cost. That's the key point. That's why a turnkey home sells faster and a higher price. Based on my experience, I will say usually if you put 10,000 into your remodeling, you usually get more back. Maybe 2,000 or 3,000, but definitely it will make your house stand out among all other houses on the market. So if you can, try to do that. And the third, small things, small things, like burn out light bulbs, change them and make them brighter, or broken light switches, dirty light switches, you can wipe them off or change a cover. Just change it. It's very cheap, like $1.99, little fix, and you can even do yourself. And what else you think you can do? The most important is the termite. If you neglect your maintenance of your home, so you will find out when your house is in contract, you do the termite inspection, you will be like, oh my God, I can't believe it's $6,000. Oh, I can't believe I have to tend the house for $3,500. That's right. Do it now. So when your buyers come in, the house is ready. It's ready for moving, and they have no reason to lowball offer your home. We just talk about what's inside the house. Let's talk about outside. Like outside is your lawn, your flowers are well maintained, they are growing, they are not dying. That's some indicator of the home ownership, how well maintained the house is. Usually I suggest we add some flowers right before the house for picture, and also put some new wood chips. These are important. Just feel more welcoming and feel it's well maintained. Also throw out those broken outdoor furnitures. Clean it up. It's important to show the best. Like you go on a date, you want to dress up, you want to look the best. You shave, do your hair, and you do your makeup. So it's the same thing for your home. It's a perfect package. It's perfect home. They just fall in love with it. They don't want to leave. So they give you the best price. That's right, the highest and the best price. And even better, you will get multiple offers. That's really important in the real estate war, is multiple offers. Right now, we don't have enough houses for sale. people fight for that one listings. If it's turnkey, you have more people fighting for your home. Remember, make your house as much improvement, as much perfect as possible. And trust your realtor. They're experienced and they know what they're doing. And I know it might cost you some money to do all those things, but remember, you're supposed to do them when you're living here, not right before you're going to sell the home. So that's very, very important. Small things tells you more, like the light switch cover. Thank you for watching today. I'm Claudia Chyang. It's all about real estate.